Let's watch these amazing videos. These stunning videos were created in seconds, yes, in seconds. Welcome to Genmo AI, where creativity meets simplicity. Stick around as I guide you step by step to create your own unique videos, starting with just a simple idea. Step 1, Introduction. First, visit the Genmo AI website using the link in the description. From the homepage, just click on the Try Now button. Now you are in the Mochi 1 playground, a free and powerful video generation model. You can also see that there are lots of amazing videos created by Genmo AI. Step 2, Account Creation. To create your first video, log in or create a free account. For this, click on the Login or Sign Up button and continue with Google. Step 3, Generating a video. Okay, now to create your video, enter a prompt. Let's type a happy dog surfing a massive wave. Also, if you're not sure what to type, Genmo also helps you generate prompts directly on its website. To use this, click on the Need Prompt Ideas and Genmo will generate a video prompt for you. But I am entering my idea, a happy dog surfing a massive wave. Click Generate and wait for the magic. Genmo transforms your words into a stunning, animated video. Step 4, Preview and download. See how easy it is. Once you're happy with your creation, download your video. Genmo AI is more than a tool, it's your creative playground. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting tutorials.